The next stop, Pershing Square, is under renovation. And with no one congregating there, the place feels cold and uncaring. However, a discreet passerby asks for scrap food at a nearby restaurant, and someone whips up a plate for him. Another man in dreadlocks is cleaning the negative energies off a bus stop with salt, oil, garlic, and a rosary. He explained that
The negative energy is making people suffer.
about a question, he says,
Don't be too kind, people will kill you.
"What do you mean?
Being kind is for genius people.
Does kindness come from being smart, or does being smarter comes from being kinder?"
You get smarter by doing the right type of kindness.
Nearby, LA Coffee is a small venue with outside tables for two behind a picturesque iron fence. The atmosphere is pleasant and I sit for a coffee. At the counter, Esteban goes through the extra mile for a patron. He turns the distress of one man into renewed energies for his teammates. Water into wine. During his break, Esteban writes his view on kindness.
What is kindness? I've never really been asked that question. It's hard to elaborate that in such a short response. I would say it's warmth, knowing that you treated somebody in a good manner, that you did or will do something that will change their day in a positive way. Kindness is warmth and care, at least I would say.